Hi viewers, how are you all? Let us warm up with this Italian classic vegetarian vegan minestrone soup. I've used the instant pot to prepare the soup. You can make it in any cooker or vessel. The beauty of this recipe is it requires only one pot and it can be done in 30 minutes. It is a very easy to do recipe and the taste is incredible. The vegetables which I have used are onions, carrot, celery, zucchini and spinach. I have diced them into small cubes. Now all the vegetables are ready for cooking. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Other than vegetables, I have used dry pasta shells that can get cooked directly in the instant pot. You can also boil the pasta separately and stir it in later. I have used canned kidney beans instead of the dried ones. You can use the dried kidney beans also. You have to soak them overnight, cook it and then use it. And I have also used diced tomatoes. For seasoning, I have used red pepper flakes, black pepper powder and salt. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the instant pot vessel. On the instant pot in saute mode first. Once the oil gets heated, first add the cut onions and start cooking by stirring continuously. Once the onion is cooked, add the carrot and all the other vegetables one by one. Add the zucchini, then the celery, keep stirring continuously, then add the spinach. Allow the vegetables to get cooked for few minutes. Now off the saute mode of the instant pot. Next we have to add all the other ingredients. Now add the shell pasta and mix well. Now add the diced tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes also if we want. Then add the canned red kidney beans. If we are using the dried beans, we have to cook it and add it at this stage. Now instead of water, I am using low sodium vegetable stock. I have used 4 cups of this vegetable stock. If you want, you can use water or any other stock of your choice. Stir everything well together, then start adding the seasonings. Add pepper powder and salt. Red chili flakes is purely optional. If you want, you can add it, otherwise not needed. Now close the lid and on the instant pot in soup mode and set it for 3 minutes. In the meantime, we can get the garlic bread ready by cutting it into slices and baking it or toasting it. Once cooking time has released, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Then quickly open it and stir well. Now the minestrone soup is ready to be served with garlic bread. You also try this recipe and tell me how yummy it was. If you like my videos, don't forget to share.